Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Taylor Symone, and as you read by the title, for today's video I'm showing you guys how I went from this all the way to this medium length lock knot bob. And I'm going to definitely give you guys a lot of details on every single little thing I do, so continue watching if you're interested. So I'm using some 16-inch Cuban twist hair. Also have some curly hair here. This is my Retwist product that I'm going to be using. I have my moisturizer, my oil, and I'm starting the retwist here. I have a detailed video in the right hand corner if you want to see how I go about retwisting my hair. But for the bottom row, I only have 3 locks, which is an odd number, so I decided to 2-strand twist them with the locks that are pretty much above in the next row. And I'm going to go into details on how I did the 2-strand twist if you continue watching. And then I'm just taking that Cuban twist hair, putting it through the bottom of my lock right above where I rubber band, and I'm just continuing the 2-strand twist down. I'm taking an additional black rubber band and I'm just rubber banding where my locks end as well as where that charm is, just because it was not holding down. For some reason it was kind of bulky, so that was my solution for that. Now here I am starting the knot at the bottom, which I will go into more detail about how I went about doing that. And now I'm showing you the first piece I started on, and I did the rest off camera just because I needed my 3-way mirror to see what I was doing. We have it 2-strand twisted, and now I'm taking my hair, putting it through. There's like a little indent in the hair. I pretty much use that indent to know that it's like even. And then I'm just going to continue 2-strand twisting down. Initially, I've tried to do 2-strand twist on just a regular retwist like 2 times and it failed. If you're like me and you retwist your locks to the right, you're gonna have to do that 2-strand twist to the left and not the right. Otherwise, it's not going to actually hold. Other thing, some of the pieces, like my actual locks, will be sticking out the bottom. All I do is I take one of those little black rubber bands, and I've just been wrapping it on there just to hold the hair down, because some of them I just can't, for the life of me, I just can't get it to stick down. I don't know why. If I could see, I would grab to where I want the length to be. I'm feeling where this one is, so I'm just going off of how that feels. I'm bending it up to about like right there. I would say maybe that's about 1 inch, and then I'm just wrapping it like so. I'm basically securing that end with a rubber band so it does not come apart, and there we go. Going up the next row is where I'm going to incorporate a couple pieces of this hair. I'm taking a very little bit. I do have an even number of locks, so there's not going to be like a leftover where I'll have to make like a braid or something like that, or a 3-strand twist. So because I have twisted them to the right, what the logic is the hair that is on the left is supposed to go over the one on the right. And then by twisting it like this, it is supposed to stay in that place. And if that does not work, restart and just do the other one over the other one, because that is literally how I have been having to go about it. About right here, I am going to insert that curly hair and twist it, and then from what I've seen, if you just leave out one like so, continue twisting down, then you can have that one be the one that peeks out later on. Just cutting off this because yeah, there's no use for it and it's just gonna get in my way. And for my lock thickness, I literally just am grabbing it because it's already sectioned off into pieces this size. This is the perfect thickness for what my thickness of locks are. And now I'm bringing this curl down and thinking like right around there, I think. Yeah, I think that's, that can be cute. That can be cute. And you'll notice this looks thick because my actual hair, and then it gets thinner because the hair is thinner, but like when you finish twisting and you let it go, it puffs back up and thickens up and pretty much matches. For this next piece, I'm just going to match it to the length of this one. Okay, ooh. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest off camera, and I'm going to come back and show y'all the finished product. So you guys will see me literally in a couple seconds. All right, I'm back with a finished product. This took entirely too long, longer than I would have liked it to take, but we are finally finished. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button, hit the post notifications button while you are at it, because I definitely have more videos to come. I'm thinking about doing a versatility series, because one of the reasons why it took me so long to actually lock my hair is because I felt like I wasn't going to be able to do much with it, which now having locks and seeing what people do with locks, I'd like to actually argue you can possibly do a lot more styles with locks as opposed to loose natural hair. But if you guys are interested in this versatility series, do comment down below and let me know. I was just thinking it'd be such a cool idea. I would just like to be, you know, an example here on this channel that you do not have to be stuck inside of a box. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here up until this point, go ahead down in the comment section below and comment some blue hearts just so I know that you're actually watching this long, and I will see you guys all in the next video.